I'll go first. Chubby Bunny. Oh, this is already hurting. Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Round 2. You already did it. Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Round 3. Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Oh my god, are you okay?
I'm good.
You're the winner! Where's the Walmart bag? So, as you can see, Destiny won with how many marshmallows?
I don't know.
I think 5. I don't even think I got mine in. Like, I was starting to, like, laugh and it was coming out, and Bradley's over here gagging. She's back here trying to hold it in. Anyways, we challenge y'all to play the same game. It's a lot of fun. Make sure you have more than 2 or 3 people, because if it's you by yourself, it's not going to be fun. So